Guys, there was a question I was asked by someone today. He said, what's the difference between Amahlubi and Amaxhosa and Amazulu? So I just want to make a quick video answering that person. I want you guys to understand that Amahlubi, they are not part of those ethnic groups like Xhosa, Zulu.
Good day, everyone. We are inviting you to watch the video until to its end so that you can hear exactly the main burning issues in regard to the video by watching it till the end. On this video, we are going to talk about the call by the Zulu King, King Misizulu, for the word Natal to be removed from KwaZulu-Natal, and the possible call for the Zulu independence. Illuminate yourself, align with current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. Fellow South Africans, the king, the Zulu king, King Misizulu, have just made a call that they are for the move to see the province of KwaZulu-Natal being only called KwaZulu, not KwaZulu-Natal. And then in around several situation and attempt behind the scenes, we have seen also the Amahlubi people talking about their independence. But their independence for this matter is not the independence from any other thing. They said they have their independence as the Amahlubi, who are not involved into the entitlement of Zulu. And then we have seen a very uprising after the Princess Londi have used the term kwere kwere. People are saying we call ourselves the Zulu, and then we are ashamed and embarrassed that the people will be using so unhealthy show of hatred to the other Africans, and then we, because we call ourselves Zulu, we find ourselves humiliated that we'll have to protect people that are so violent and not so morally behaving, especially into the public. Now we must also accept that we are involved into it. And then we have seen the ATM, a guy who is calling for the independence of Amahlubi, meaning the Amahlubi, they don't see themselves as the Zulus. This is one of the biggest things that people will have to start talking about. I want to hear my fellow South Africans that are Zulu. To what extent and how many of the tribes that are now falling from the Nguni, that are falling under the entitlement of the Zulu? How many of them that feel that no, we are not Zulu? And when you go into a TikTok now, you will find some of the people that are Hlubi, they saying, no, don't call us Zulu. And then I remember some of the Nguni nation under King Bongani, they said, no, we are not part of the Zulu. We are Nguni, but not Zulu, because Zulu is a new entitlement that come only after a Shaka. Before that, nobody was Zulu. And then when you look at Amahlubi, they look themselves dating back as 1300 AD, which means they are searching for their history even before the existence of the Zulu. Exactly who is a Zulu? And is it correct or is it wrong for people to come up and say, no, whenever you decide to call something Zulu, don't include us. We are Nguni. I am Tetwa. I am Kwanazi. I am Bungani. I am Gumede. I am not Zulu. Are they correct to say this? Exactly what is this entitlement called Zulu? When Shaka himself was the son of Sinzangakhona, why didn't he call himself Shaka Kasinzangakhona, instead call himself Shaka Zulu? Can my fellow Zulu people come up and say, because we see now there is an uprising behind the scenes in some of tribes that they saying we were called into the Zulu concept, but this concept was forced over us. As a result, we don't feel like ourselves to be that. When we were Bakam Tetwa, we were strong, we were peaceful. What was the need for us to be conquered by Chaka in order to establish a new identity? We're still fine of this. Now our ancestors, our elders lost their lives being forced to abandon what used to belong to them, only for them to fall under this forced entitlement that is called Zulu today. Is it wrong for some of the tribes that have now come and formed a Zulu entitlement to say no, we don't belong into it. We want our independence out of this, because here are the people, they call themselves Amazulu, but then at the end of the day, they still come and embarrass us by making violent comments, and then after that, we must come up and say suddenly somebody have just spoken out of blue and say himself it's a Zulu. I am not Zulu, I am Bungani. I'm not Zulu, I'm Tetwa. I'm not Zulu, I'm Gumede. Is that correct? It is an extremely burning issue, and behind the scenes is so much spoken about. What do our Zulu people that are Nguni are saying about this? And then when this thing, based on that, in looking to some are saying we want independence from being called Zulu. What do you make about this concept of saying Zulu Hlanganani? Who are you talking about? Is it a Nguni alliance, or is it alliant to a Zulu notion? Exactly how old is the Zulu notion, taking into consideration that the Amahlubi saying they dating themselves back as 1300, but a Zulu notion comes after 1790, after the death of Shaka Zulu. Exactly who is Zulu? Let us hear what you say on the comment section, and thanks for watching the video. Who is Zulu?